Unfortunately, my body isn't plastic and needs a little more support in certain areas. I did something silly today. Trying to heal my connection with my inner child. So I thought, what did I used to enjoy as a little kid that I'm still a little obsessed about to this day? And I bought a Barbie. I wanted a Barbie with curly hair that has a skin tone that kind of resembles mine, but I couldn't find one, so I got one with straight hair. But hers a little, but she's got a little bit of a, like the hair that comes out. So that's close enough. And what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna make her the dress that I made myself in the last video. You can check out the full process in the video in the description. Now we take the doll's measurements, starting with the waist, and then we measure the distance between the middle of the breast and where the side seam would be, and lastly the length of the skirt. Now, in order to draw the waist on the pattern, I found a circular object with a similar circumference to the waist measurement and aligned it with the radius I marked on both sides of the corner of the paper. I found the radius by dividing the waist measurement by 6/28. I hope this makes sense. Now I just took the tape measure and measured the length along the line we drew. And now we cut, Yeah, that's my new song. Hope you like it. Now that we're done with the cutting, we can not film anything in frame because that's what losers do. We're just going to be off frame, out of frame, I don't even know the words, and we're just going to cut the pattern twice. You know the drill. Yeah. And I just put it on the doll to make sure it looks like a half skirt. Now we adjust the seam knob thing on the machine, and I sewed the skirt part. Pretty simple. Now begins the exciting part of attaching the skirt to the straps. I didn't film cutting the straps because it's basically just rectangles. It's the length of 2.5 times her height and the width that we measured at the first part of the video. Pretty straightforward. Eventually I had to shorten them. I just eyeballed it, but better have too long straps than too short, so I'd still cut 2.5 size the height just to be safe. Now we attach it. You can start at the side seam and overlap in the middle, and then you just need to stitch. Important note, you can do the entire process with a regular sewing machine with a zigzag stitch. There we go. And we're done. Now, I'm going to show you a couple of different looks that are possible with this dress. That some of them I didn't wear because unfortunately my body isn't plastic and needs a little more support in certain areas. But she can wear all of them, and it's really good, very versatile. So, yeah, if she's got several places to be and she wants to wear different types of dresses for him, this dress will cover you. Will cover her. Whatever. Who is this fancy lady? Nice romantic sweetheart neckline for a date or an afternoon wedding. Mixing it up with an exposed shoulder look, and we're ready to party. Add a flower for a more elegant yet flirty look. Want a more corporate look? Maybe a little more modesty? This option got you covered. Literally. Off the shoulder look that I didn't film, so now she's just staring into your soul because she's done with your BS. Now look into the horizon. The future, if you will. So in summary, this was fun. This was fun. Is it stupid? Definitely. Do I need this? No. Does anyone? I don't think so. But it's a good use of fabric scraps, and if you're sewing, you have a lot of those. And I know what you're thinking. I don't have a Barbie. What am I, 12? First of all, you're grown up, and you can get a Barbie if you want. No one can stop you. Second of all, you might know someone that has a Barbie, or any kind of other toy that might need a dress, or new pants, or a blanket. I don't know. The possibilities are endless. But the point of it all is that it was fun, and that I'm going to do it again, because life has been pretty bad for the past almost 2 years, probably more. It's not like 2019 was fun. We just forgot because 2020 was so bad. So yeah, if I can find fun things to do, I'm gonna do them over and over and over again. So join me next time for another exciting episode of unpaid vacation. The closest thing to a vacation I'm gonna have in years.